report. Now on to snow days. Many people find snow days very good. It means no school, no homework and a day in the snow. But in other ways it can be very bad. Let's get into the nitty-gritty details. The snow days are that foods that will be made for that day will have to be thrown away because they would have gone out of date. Also, students will have missed out on many days of school because of the weather. And now over to Oliver.
Yes, well, picking on from what Evan said, students about to take their GCSEs will lose vital learning time, which may cost them marks in the test.
Yes, that's 15 hours of school, which equates to 15 lessons, which can cost you everything. Now, over to the interview with Mr. Lillington.
What criteria has to be met for the school to be closed?
On a snow day, school always tries to stay open if it can. That's what we're here to do. Really, it's about how safe it is for staff to get into school, to make the building and the school open for students to get into school. So it's two big things we're thinking about really. Can we get the teachers here to be able to teach the lessons, but also is it safe for students to travel into school? And that's a really hard decision because it's the weather, it's usually changing by the second, so you don't often know until you actually get here, and even then the weather's changing. You don't actually know whether the buses are running, what the traffic is like, and whether the teachers are going to be able to get into school and whether the students are.
Thank you. And what are the disadvantages of snow days, educationally?
I think there's quite a lot of disadvantages of snow days. That's why schools always think really carefully before they close, and they don't close if they can help it. Because of the lost teaching time, any time we allow students to miss lessons or teachers to miss lessons for trips or anything, we have to balance what the gain is against what they've lost in teaching time. And the thing about snow day is obviously there isn't really a gain. It's not like having an educational visit. Everybody's missing out on their lessons. So snow days really are the last resort when it's not possible to open the school.
Okay. If anything, do schools gain anything from snow days?
I mean, I suppose the one thing that they do provide is just a chance for teachers to use that time as they do for marking and for preparing and assessing and all the things that they would do anyway. So although teachers might not always be in school on snow days, they are still working at home to provide the education they need to and do the work they need to. But I wouldn't say that that's overall a benefit. Clearly that's a good thing, but they'd much rather be in lessons teaching students so that they can continue their education. So overall, no, snow days are really a last resort and something we'd rather avoid wherever possible.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.